Good morning, everyone. Very warm welcome to all the wonderful, magnificent, and extraordinary, funny, lovely, beautiful people. It is so fortunate that we all assembled in this forum and we are getting benefit every day. And we all genuinely feel that we want it more, isn't it? Just a second, I want to make Niti ji co-host. Not a host, just a second. Co-host, okay. I cannot, okay, co-host, okay. And Kunain also. We all can remember, one day we discussed in depth about what is the other names we can give it to this forum because of the purpose which we feel, which we perceive, which we have our own point of view. We got beautiful answers and we conducted little contest and we selected people and that prize is yet to be given. Along with that, I got a wonderful thought and it just resonates with what we do here. If I am being given a rights to change this forum and put a single purpose, I would go for it's a leadership academy. In one way, what Sir is doing is trying to bring the leader in us to come out. And touch wood, it is happening. It is manifesting. It is very much witness. We can witness it. So today, let us go a little deeper into that subject, and I hope, believe it will be very interesting and useful. I want to start with a question to you all. Before that, like we usually do, I want an energetic good morning from each one.
Morning, one and all.
Good morning, one and all.
Good morning.
Happy morning, guys.
Good morning.
Great morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yahoo! Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Wonderful. That's really energetic. Great. Let's get into this leadership discussion and I want everybody's contribution. First thing, let us understand from our own perspective, who is the leader? Kunenji?
Leader is the one who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way.
Beautiful. Knows the way, shows the way, goes the way. Beautiful. Thank you very much. We'll have a short answers and we'll go into depth in a
leader. From my perspective, leader is someone who is inclusive and who focus on his and the people around's growth.
Very good. He's focused and he focuses on the people around him.
No, he's
Leader is
focused
the-
on his and the people around's growth.
Growth, people's growth.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kasa. Today your audio and subjects are very loud and clear.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
I think leader is the one who practices before preaching.
Amazing. He practices what he preaches.
What
Leader.
he preaches.
Wonderful.
Sir, leader is who leads people, that's all. Whether he practices or not, it makes.
Does a political leader practice what he preaches?
That's right.
No. So that we don't want to call them leaders.
No, you may not, but he is a leader. Maybe a bad leader, but he is a leader.
And
Yeah, that's
Darshana ji,
He's a
hold on
bad
to
leader,
it.
all right.
Hold on to it. You will get an answer. I have something for you. We can
Okay.
even call political leader as a leader. Yes, Reddy Garuji, that
You
was
can call them. I'm not denying that. They are also leaders.
yes. And Reddy Garuji, thank you very much.
More
Just
like misleaders.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Political fellows are
Political-
more like misleaders, not leaders.
Correct. Correct.
I'm just driving at different points. Thank you.
Misleaders or Mrs. Leaders.
You woke up, it seems. Thank you, Kasa. Redigar sir, thank you very much. You said, simply put it, leader is who leads. Let us discuss more about it. I want from people who hasn't said anything.
Sir, one who lead to the path, easy path,
You mean easy path?
means one who knows where he is going and one who knows where to lead.
We can put this way, one who has got a clarity and takes his people where he is
Yeah,
going.
yeah, one who have clarity and he guide the people.
Excellent point. Thank you, Sadar. Anything from Priya?
I think a leader is the one who goes along, like he has a great vision, and he or she or they take people along with them to match their vision. So they form a complete team, and then they reach a vision. Everyone wins in that game.
So it's something to do with his vision and his intention to take people along.
Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you. And by the way, on a lighter note, what are you cooking today?
I cooked besan ka chila.
Okay. Thank you. And Sakti, you said? Sorry. And meantime, can we have a little contribution from Leena ji and Nitin ji? Who is leader from your perspective?
According to me, a leader is one who leads by being with you, being among you, being with you.
Okay. He is very serious on his business of leading, but he will be with you.
Yes, very much.
Beautiful point. Beautiful point. Thank you. Yes, Abhinavji. A leadership definition from a leader. Go ahead.
A leader is a person who chooses to take responsibility for the quality of life of others.
Okay. He takes responsibility of.
Chooses. He chooses to take responsibility. He chooses.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And people's success.
Yes. Quality of life. Yeah. Everything is included in that.
Quality of life.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Of course, leadership is distinct than manipulators. So many times people who are master manipulators, we think they are leaders, like politicians. They are actually not leaders. They are manipulators. So we have to distinguish between manipulators and leaders.
Yeah, we will have a second part of discussion who is not leader. First part, let's focus on who is leaders. Thank you, Abhinav. That's fantastic sharing. For the latecomers, I would like to re-emphasize. Today we are discussing about the leaders because we understood that this forum is, in other words, is nothing but a leadership academy, and Sir is teaching us a lot of points and a lot of inner subjects to bring that leader in us outside. And it is happening, it is manifesting. We are all witnessing it. So we are starting with the question, who is leader from your perspective? Anybody who joined little late can contribute? Who is the leader? Manasiji, your mic is working today.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Very much loud and clear.
Okay. I didn't hear any response. I was wondering if I was audible. So yesterday only I met a really good leader, and when he spoke to me, I told him actually these are the qualities of a good leader. And when he spoke, I really had tears in my eyes because I saw such a good leader, and I'm so lucky to be working with him. So it was really very good, you know.
Excellent, Manasi. Can you just list out, if possible, the qualities which you got inspired?
He said that if somebody makes a mistake also, it's on me. And if somebody does something good also, it is on me. That is the quality of a good leader. You know, everything, whatever it is, you know, you're in my team, you know, he is taking full responsibility of his team. So that's really, really nice. And when someone says, it sees the confidence in us, you know, that you know, whatever you do, you feel very protected also in this case, you know. So it's really good.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming on camera, and it's a great share.
Thank you.
Wonderful. And Leena ji? Nitin ji, who is the leader?
Small interjection to what Mansi said.
Yes.
See that person, what he's saying indirectly, stop judging. Be in allowance.
Exactly.
Whether somebody's made a mistake or not, you accept them. That's being in allowance, right?
Yes.
That will only happen when you don't judge. So a good
Yes.
leader doesn't waste his time judging. Got it?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So with that, all the share, yes, these are all the qualities of a true leader. And there is a greater possibility that we all can become that leader the world wants it. One thing I got very much interest with Dr. Daines, one of the co-founder of Access Consciousness concept. He says little differently. He explains it this way: leader is who has got followers. In what terms? It is not the number of followers who follow him. It is he who follows himself. It is he who follows his knowings. And it is he who trusts himself. He is a true leader. Many times, we have seen people in history, the whole world were against to them, but they stood. They were following themselves. They were trusting themselves and lead the world. How wonderful is it? We all know so many things. We all learned great, great stuffs. Are we following it? Are we trusting ourselves that I am a leader? I can do this. Even my close relative is against me. I will do it because I know what is right. That's a wonderful thought. I just want to bring it to the forum. And second thing, he puts it very beautifully. We all know that we have leader in us. How to bring him back? How to manifest that leader? In order to do what we should do to bring him back. Sir said very beautifully, that is the ultimate thing. If you stop judging yourself, just live about world, live about others for a time being. Your business is to bring your leader outside. How to allow him to manifest? First point, are you willing to bring him back? Second thing, can you stop judging it? Can you stop judging yourself? Because the leader inside us is crying to come out. But many times what we do, the inner self-talk, I always enjoy when Kunenji says, the culprit is the self-talk which we say ourselves. We just believe that and we just hold on to that leader. Today, I want to go ahead with this leadership discussion, which I believe that can contribute to people. I want to ask few people. We are all leaders, but few already have gone the path and doing the things like Ashokji, like Sivat Reddy Garuji, and of course, all seniors here. I want to have a quick discussion with you so that you can tell what is it to lead people, what is it to be a leader. Can I start with Reddy Garu? Sir, simple terms. How do you feel being a leader?
Sir, be with them and empower them. These are the two things I feel.
Wonderful. Can you just elaborate a little more, sir? Because we are just looking ahead to you and we want to hear more from you. What is to be a leader? How do you feel it?
No, in my view, you have to always take, if I'm just talking about my company and my employees, I always take care of them. And now I'm empowering them too after attending all these classes. So I think I'm seeing a difference because I stopped judging people to the possible extent because it will not go in one day. So slowly I'm interacting with them and with being with them, and I think I'm seeing improvement. Sir. That's what I feel.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you very much. And you're doing it. And on an open note, I would like to acknowledge something which I am so much inspired. Certain achievements through sir and through your sharing, I understood that you have done a lot of things in your life, which we would like to go into. But the more inspiring part is, after doing everything, after executing everything, you are still coming and sitting like a student to sir and interested in learning and upgrading yourself, and kind of that learning appetite is amazing, and it's commendable, sir. I seriously acknowledge it, and I wish I should have it the whole life.
We have to learn lifelong, sir. It's not one day.
Exactly, sir. That's a great lesson you are telling everyone being a leader. Thank you very much, Redikar, sir. And you are a biggest asset for EMC, and you are a true leader. Thank you very much. And can I have a quick word from Ashokji? Ashokji is feeling okay. How are you feeling, sir?
Feeling cold. Instead of, while talking about a leader feeling hot, I'm feeling cold.
That's a true quality of a leader, sir. Leader feels cold, but we all feel hot.
Yeah, I was astonished to listen to so many views of what is a leader. I only knew one thing, that if you see any, when I'm giving an example, if you see any photo, any photograph, what do you do? Let's say it's a group photo. What do you do? First, you look at your photo. If you are there, then you are interested in a photo. If you are not there, you are not interested in that photograph. That is one side of it. Second, if you see a good scene, everybody, depending on their interest, somebody looks at the tree, somebody looks at the grass, somebody looks at the bird, somebody looks at the flower. But a leader is the one who looks at the total frame as such, and then tells them to appreciate all the things in that frame, and tells them how to go about it, appreciate everything, not only a flower or a bird or a grass or a tree or a road or a sky. That's my look. Secondly, when you are able to see a full photograph or a full picture, you want everybody around you to come with you, irrespective whether they appreciate you, whether they like you, whether they believe in you, whether they oblige you, whether they obey you. So many factors that happen. But I only one term that makes it: please do not judge. Everybody is free. Everybody has their own freedom of looking at it. Do not judge. You can point out to them that, look, that flower also is good. But if he says, oh, I don't like the green color, you can't say, no, that's not correct. You must like green color. So it's thanks to EMC, which has taught me that, okay, if you like the green color, yeah, sure, why not? Green also is a color, and it's a good color. Yeah, sure, why not? But earlier I had the views, if I like pink, he should also like pink. So it's a great motivator, EMC, which has told a different, I won't say fractions, but different angles from how you can see the same thing. And we must tell ourselves to appreciate that. A leader is the one, coming back again to, appreciates anything that is happening around him as is, without judging, and shows the path or leads the path which can take everybody along with him to the next stop. It could be their education, it could be their relationships, it could be their service, it could be anything. But he is able to see one step ahead which way to go, and the dangers in between, and is able to warn them. But if they do not agree, doesn't get angry with them, that no, what I'm saying is true. Thank you, sir. That is my way of looking at it now. Thank you.
Wonderful. The moment the leadership and the discussion comes in, my first thought is we should make Ashok ji to speak. Yes, you have done so many things, sir. And I want to make it little lighter if you are okay.
One thing I
Yes, please.
just sorry for disturbing. Please. One thing. Look, if you are on a public platform where the elections are involved, the leadership is a different type.
Yes.
If you are involved in a social organization where service is the motto, the leadership is of a different type. If you are teaching in a class, the leadership is a different type. There is nothing one principle or one slogan which can say the leadership. Leadership depends. As a father, leadership is different. As a husband, leadership is different. As a child, again, the leadership is different. So leadership, there is no one definition for it. Depending on the field you are involved with, the leadership definition changes. If you are in army, the only thing is to win, finished. There is nothing else. If you have a hand grenade and I have a hand grenade, I better win, not you. That is for sure. No, killing is bad, ahimsa is bad, great hand grenade नीचे डालो तू मरेगा ये मरेगा बोलने में कोई मतलब है नहीं. He may not listen to you. There you have decided I have to win, finish. So the leadership depends also on the field in which you are involved. Thank you.
Wonderful. So it has got more. I need to re-listen to it, take a lot of notes. Thank you very much for this great contribution. Be in the conversation. I will have a few more questions to you. Before that, we'll just do a little more exercise. And I want to share, sir has sent something very beautifully.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What will allow the leader in you to emerge? It's a beautiful and very unique way of bringing the best in us, bringing out the best in us through the question by Satyavak sir. What will allow the leader in you to emerge? Let us all think deeper into it. And I want to ask, Ashok ji, sorry, I want you to come back. We will have a little more discussion. If you're okay. Because when we were leading, when we did a lot of things, we were against a lot of people's point of view, against so many things. And we want to bring out that we committed that and we are doing it. So as sir asked, how to allow it, how to happen it. So that is a discussion which I want to bring it. So I want to bring it that what will allow the leader to emerge? I want you to think personally from your side to bring back, just a second, I'm finding a little bit. How to allow the leader to emerge? What's your thought? Kunanji, Nitiji, anybody?
Nitiji first. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yes, Nitiji, please.
Which was coming through this discussion to me is if I let the leader within me, as every individual in the group, if I let the leader within me emerge, the first thing will happen is the leader will lead me. And if the leader leads me, lot is possible. Thank you.
Great. You want it from outside or you want it from inside?
The leader within me from inside will come out, no?
Beautiful.
Then the outside will be led by the inside.
Beautiful. Thank you very much.
On a lighter note,
Yes, please.
the leader in me will drive me through every me.
Amazing. Kasa, I wonder this formula fits into everything here.
Me.
Great. Thank you very much. Purenji, you were about to say something. Sorry.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It's a great subject, great topic, and great discussion. I was listening to the conversation. I learned a lot. My thought on this subject is that it's not new for us, this term, and we all lead ourselves. And whosoever we are today, whatsoever is our reality, it is because of the way we have led ourselves. So we all are the leaders. Like we can't say that we don't lead ourselves. It is impossible not to do so. But the thought what is coming to my mind is some people like Sukhdeepak sir and Ashok sir and all the senior members here, they lead themselves consciously and effectively different from others. And the leadership, what normally we believe, is having power over people in the corporate world or in general, which is, in my opinion, is not the right approach. And it's not about having power on someone. It is about knowing what to do, where to go, and how to ensure with all the possibilities around, with the complete willingness and courage to choose the moment or choose the path where we believe is my purpose, my intention of living a life with, again, the life with full of ease, joy, and glory. So, in my opinion, conscious leadership, as Sir keeps on telling, that what energy, space, and consciousness I am in. So that's important. And other thought coming to my mind, what we had discussed the other day, that we all are unique, we all are different. So in my opinion, the true leadership, if I talk about self, starting with self first, it's all about identifying myself as an individual and identifying my uniqueness, and then leading consciously with the complete purpose and intention, so that all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory, moment by moment by moment. So that's what my thought is, sir. Back to you.
Beautiful, beautiful. A true leader is, the evidence of a true leader is he is able to bring ease, joy, and glory to himself and to others. Is that right, Kunenji? Thank you very much for that.
Yes, sir.
So, Kasha is raised her hand. Kasha, please go ahead.
Sorry. I just wrote something about leader. Leader is someone who's influential to the self and like is less judgmental, encouraging, allowance, dynamic, encouraging, and resourcing or resourceful. Leader.
That's a great thought, Kasha. Can you just read out the terms once again, a little louder? What are the terms you say?
Less judgmental, encouraging, allowance, dynamic, encouraging, resourceful.
Beautiful. You can just type and send or put it in chat. We can put it in the group.
Yeah, I'll post it.
Great thought. That's wonderful. Thank you very much. And we have one great leader with us. Without speaking him, we can't have a leadership session. I would like to call upon Kuldeep ji, if you are okay. I just want to discuss with you about these leadership qualities. Before that, I want to ask you, how does it feel to be a leader, sir?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
In my opinion, the foremost quality of a leader is that when he talks, others listen. That suffices everything.
That's a great quality. When he talks, everybody listens because he is a leader.
Yes.
Great, sir. Can you share with some of your experience, because you led so many people, so many operations, so many assignments. Can you just tell us few of your good experience, because it's a lesson for us, seriously.
Once in Royal Navy, one admiral who became the hero. One of the instances that he took over an aircraft carrier as a captain, about 1,500 people on board, and first day he asked his number 2 that I want to know each person's name, his hobbies, his strengths. And he did not do anything. And after 2 days, he had a party. He has his assistants, but with them when he was meeting, he was knowing their names, he was talking to the hobbies, and rest is history, one of the great leaders in the Second World War. And secondly, once it happened that during the World War, he got a signal from the Admiral of the Fleet, that is the highest person in London, and got in this operation, your one aircraft has taken off about 90 seconds late, because of which there is a lot of damage to the Allied forces, and I want you to name the signal of the pilot and he will be hanged. This was the language. And we have got the various classifications of signals, and this was the jet classification. It means it is to be replied within 10 minutes. And he replied, this person who took the signal from the wireless office to him, he also read the signal. He was a sailor, he was shivering. So what sort of he put the signal on the captain's table and he was going out. He stopped him. How long you are in service? He said, about 10 years, sir. For 10 years, you don't know that the signal is to be replied within 10 minutes? Yes, I know. But hold on and listen to the reply. Take down the reply. He says, sir, the name of the pilot is his own name, his number, person number, this, and finished. If you want to hang, please hang me. Don't ask the name of the pilot. I rested the history. These are the some examples. And the name of the admiral was Admiral Halsey. Thank you.
Wonderful, Ji, amazing. It's inspiring, and we all can only admire those kind of situation you were, and you allowed it to happen and you witnessed everything. Amazing. See, thank you very much and really inspiring. And in fact, I am thinking of Kuldeep ji, Ashok ji, Redigar ji and all, having a one-day full session, asking questions and all, because we can bring out the few of your past experiences, which can be a great lesson and great inspiration for all of us. We can do much more. Thank you very much for your contribution. And from my understanding of the leadership is one who contributes. Okay, to contribute what you want, you should have more. Okay, how to have? There is a great inner science says, if you want to have more, you should become more. Okay, how to become more? You acquire knowledge, learn, go to great people. One person I have been closely watching is very loving to me. Is constantly going all the places, spending out money like anything and becoming more and more and having more and more and giving more and more. Seriously, I'm talking about Ramaji, you only. Tell me how to become more and how to contribute to the people. And by the way, you also touch upon where were you for the past 1 week?
Good morning, Vetri, and good morning, everyone. Yeah, no, I've been just doing something here and there, and mornings a little bit got busy. So one of the days on 21st night we had some program. So otherwise, I've been around. Only thing is morning I was a little bit busy. Sorry on that. So I thought you were describing sir at this age with so much of experience already. He is the one who's really going all around and learning really and contributing. So what I would like to answer is, Vetri, if we are here in EMC G2G along with Mr. Sukhdeepak Malvai, we cannot help but become leaders, every one of us. Why? Because the fundamental qualities required for the leadership is being clearly imported here, right? So first and foremost, there should be a self-awareness and awareness in general and being in consciousness. So that is something always been discussed and practiced here. So that is one of the important qualities. The other one obviously is not to judge, but to evaluate. That is very important leadership quality, which we develop every day. We talk about it and work on that. So the other one is thinking independently, making sure that others also think. It's not just go with the default mode and just do the status quo. If you want to be a leader, you should be able to think, you should be able to make the other people think. Exactly, that's what we are doing here, and that's what sir is making us to do here. So these are the things we are, the other one is of course energy and focus. So this is another thing we always learn here, right? So how do we increase our energy? How do we focus on what we want, what is required, right? So that is another thing. We have so many times we do exercises, so many times we talk about it, so many times we think about it. So focus and energy is another important thing. And thinking, of course, thinking in many ways. And other important thing is being in the present, not to be loaded with all the past or worried about the future. Being in the present gives you the clarity on what is possible and what else is possible, right? The other most important thing is communication. So when you are a leader, you should be able to communicate very clearly and communicate such a way that the other person understands and acknowledges and get the feedback as well. So these are all the basic elements and basic essentials for any leaders. And every one of us, how to be a leader, we don't have a choice. Because the way sir is leading us, we don't have a choice. Thank you, Vetri.
Amazing. Yes, great. That's a great definition. Of course, we are doing all for because of sir only. Then my definition comes after your share. A leader is who we got amazing definitions. One is from my side. A leader is who makes other followers to feel like a leader. Touch wood. Now we are all feeling like a leader. How we can contribute to the world? We start to think that way, isn't it? For my feeling, seriously, the moment before I meet sir, before I joined session and all, I was like a patient. Now I feel like a doctor. How can I cure others? How can I help others to something that the whole internal perception shift gets changed. And that's a true quality of a leader. And we are also lucky that Satyav sir is doing that. And Leena ji is interested in sharing. Leena ji, please go ahead.
Yes, good morning, everyone. And yesterday I saw the Sadhguru's video, and he was telling about the who is Guru. So I think he told that Guru is like a GPS, and I think leader is also like a GPS, because he guides us on the unknown path, you know? And he knows it, and his vision is very clear, then guides the whole group. And it's like I think it's on the lighter note, GPS.
GPS in the sense geographical position system, I suppose. And Sadhguru relates it with Guru positioning system.
Yeah.
Guru positioning you in a right path.
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Leena ji. It adds a lot up to this discussion, what we are doing it. And yes, Kuljit ji, please.
Since he said something on lighter note and you are hosting it, I also want to share a quality of a leader,
please,
or on my experience on lighter note.
Please.
I was posted in Bombay. There is a establishment, naval establishment in Bombay in Mud Island, known as INS Hamla. I was posted there, and our fleet commander, one admiral, name I will not take, he inspected the establishment, and somehow he was not comfortable with Hindi. He was fluent in English, but somehow all the programs what were there, they were in Hindi. So when we asked Admiral to speak, it was very odd. Everything is in Hindi and he has to speak in English. So what he said, see the quality of leadership. He said he can talk a little bit, could talk a little bit Hindi. He said, हिंदी से मुझे बहुत प्यार है और हिंदी से मेरा रिश्ता वही है जो मेरा रिश्ता मेरी वाइफ से. And he paused. People were guessing what he is going to say next. He said, हिंदी से मेरा रिश्ता वही है जो मेरी वाइफ से है. प्यार तो है मगर कंट्रोल नहीं. तो अब मैं इंग्लिश में बोल लूँ. I think got out of a situation. So this is on lighter note. Thank you.
Amazing, ji. And you're silently letting out a secret of a happy marriage life also.
How do it?
Love it, don't take control. Don't try to have control.
But this has happened actually, and everything was okay.
Thank you, Kuljit ji. Wonderful. And Leena ji, it's already raised hand, or you want to say something?
It's old one.
Okay. No problem, ji. And we would like to, since Kuljit ji started this lighter sense, Sagar, you're outside. I want to have a laughter session. How comfortable it is.
Yes, I'm going for the morning walk. Today is Thursday, so I go and visit people tree. So I think I will. There is a place I will just go there and we'll laugh together.
Beautiful, beautiful. And take those pictures which you mentioned, the tree and the temple or a guru, you send to us, we'll put it in the group. It's so good that you bring that good thought into the group in the morning.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now we are doing laughter session now.
Yeah, you are okay?
Yes,
You
sir,
can
I am
laugh because
okay,
nobody should suspect you because you are outside. With that, let us go do our laughter 1 minute without making much noise and give your 100%. Come on.
Laugh together.
Look, if you're laughing, remove your mask. We don't know you're laughing.
This fellow is laughing like he's got like a Vespa scooter starting problem.
Vespa scooter. I'm going to read him, Sagar. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, Sagar. Your laughter
Thank you,
always
sir. Thank you.
adds a lot of energy to it. And just everyone give a long breath. Just throw away all your blocks and removes. Get into the happy moment. And I want to hear something from a silent spectator who is one of the becoming leader, Krishna Prasad. Yes, Krishna.
Good morning, Vetri. Good morning, all.
Good
Yeah,
morning. I want to ask you a different question, no?
Yes, sir.
What are the things you are doing to bring that great leader in you? What are the things you are doing? I'm not asking your opinion about leader. I want to know what are things you are doing to bring that great leader in you.
Okay. Number one is learning, acquiring knowledge.
Beautiful.
It's not that I want to solve the problem today. I know this will be useful for to solve the problem in the coming days. Second thing is listening, I would say. Without that, it's that I have learned a lot from the last 1.5 years after coming to these sessions. Listening is a key thing, so that you can understand and then respond, not react. These two things, sir.
So you are practicing intense listening and conscious response, all the things you feel that it will contribute to your leadership journey, isn't it?
Yes.
Anything else you think?
And we have covered quite a few things here. The other element which I practiced is challenging the team with so that they grow, and it's on the constructive side, right? So give them some small challenges so that they will learn. And I don't really guide them or guide them at very high level, but they will go through, they will read, and they will struggle and achieve that. The small things. That's the way to help them grow.
That's a great secret you let out, KP. Challenging things. Yes, Redgar.
Thank you.
So joining today EMC itself is a
Thank you, sir. Challenging is a secret. Giving challenge to the team members and challenging ourselves on everything, on our old beliefs and our new targets, everything. And one more thing, sir, beautifully taught us: raising the bar. Keep challenging the things and raising the bar. It's the only way to go up, becoming the leader we want to become. You touched upon a wonderful point, KP. Thank you very much. You are sharing always profound. Thank you very much. And before closing, I just want to touch upon a point like leader is always contributing, isn't it? You just we can't help thinking about Sukhdev because he keeps on contributing. Even the moment I say, instead of empowering morning conversation, what is happening here is like an empowering morning coaching. Now I see 20 people, 25 people becoming a coach, and they become a trainer, and they speak great subjects. I can literally see the difference. Before how we were talking, sharing information, which space we were operating in. Now how we are speaking. The subject which we discuss some of the time here, if you go and say outside, normal person cannot even understand. We are that much deeper, but sometimes no, we don't realize it. People say, when you are inside the flight, you cannot feel the speed it's going. That is a fortunate thing we are all, and we are enjoying this journey. So the point is, sir keeps on contributing. So we are becoming a leader. In what way we can contribute? Let us start thinking about it. It's not generally theoretical contribution. It's just personally with our own possibilities, with our own knowledge, with our own exposure. What else we can contribute? Any quick thoughts, please, Reddy Garuji?
By sharing, sir.
Great. You can, by sharing, you can contribute, right? That's a wonderful thought. Thank you. Anything else? How you can contribute?
Can I just add another point of view?
Please.
From before coming to EMC, was in search of a group positioning system. After coming into EMC, to become a great possibility self.
I think you should write all those things right here. Very good. Great possibility sessions. And what is anything on the contribution side, Kasa? What is that we can contribute to the world, to the family, to ourselves? What is coming on your mind? Because you are being equipped in a very constant and strict manner by a great person. Now you think what you can contribute.
A knowledge itself, a great resource by itself. Being a leader and to lead people is giving them the right knowledge. What we know in our expertise, in our whatever the challenges that we went through, which we outgrow, that would be a great insight for the upcoming leader from a leader.
So you want to pass on this knowledge to others?
Yes, definitely. And EMC is such a wonderful platform to to evolve the self.
Beautiful.
Evolving magnificent communications, I would say. Thank you.
Thank you, Kasha. Keep contributing it. And any thought on how to contribute?
So in Kasha style, involve, evolve, and resolve.
Wow, everybody is becoming poet. Involve, evolve,
and resolve.
Resolve, wow.
And dissolve.
Why do you want to think in the morning?
Dissolve your egos, dissolve your all the illusions.
Get dissolved in the truth.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Yes, Sagar. Then KP.
Yes, sir. Sir, previously in the session, Sukhdeepak sir have said something on contribution and love and respect. And he asks, whom do you really love and respect? Whom you really care? And he said that we also know that who give us or who contribute to our life, we love and respect. I think leaders should be like that, to contribute. That's a leader. And then we get love and respect. This much I want to say, and I am already in People Tree.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sagar. That's a great thing. This is also one of the contribution we see. We are getting that people tree darshan directly from Nepal live in the morning. Let the tree bless all of us to manifest that great leader in us, to bring it out and to contribute to the world, because the world needs it. Anybody else? KP, please. Sorry.
I wanted to add to what Kasha was saying.
Please.
Yeah. Initially, I used to believe that you have to be indispensable. But what I remember, you actually help them to grow and you become dispensable. I mean, let the other person take over and you come out there. Maybe you will go to the next thing. You will actually grow only. It happened to me 5-6 times in the last maybe some 15-20 years. When I groomed my next level, they occupied my place. There is no threat there actually. So what I would say is you have to groom your team to take up your position. That is the true leadership. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.
I just put it in this way. You beautifully said. The true contribution is you give your place. You make him a replacement to you, because you are going to a higher position by the way of giving. Because giving is the only way Sir taught us. We are just opening to the universe, and you will get more.
Right.
Wonderful, KP. Nice to hear. And I see serious face of Darshanaji. She gets into contemplation now. What is your thought on contribution, madam?
I think a leader should lead by example and encourage others. And sometimes you are a leader, but you don't know about it, that you are a leader. It happened to me because we had gone on a picnic, on a trip in a bus. We had hired a bus, and on the return, only 4 people found the bus. Bus was parked in such a way that nobody could see it. And as we were getting late, and it was a close-by picnic, so they said the rest will take taxis and go home. But somehow I stood my ground and I said it is not correct. They are all senior citizens and we cannot leave them. We've come together, we will go together. They said, but how long can we wait? And I didn't have their numbers with me. So I said, doesn't matter, I will go and look. So I started going there and I found one group. And I told them exactly where the bus was parked. But I requested them to call the other groups and tell them to meet at this point. We will wait and we will all go together. So they all came and they were also grateful that I took the trouble of waiting for them, looking for them and not allowing them to, because we would have had to take so many taxis and they wouldn't know how. So that was very well appreciated. And then I didn't know at that time that made me a leader. So it was for me just an ordinary thing to do. It's the most common thing to do, courtesy to the others. We've come together, we will go back together. We will not leave a single person behind. We were about 40 of us. So 36 people, I waited for them and I brought them to the bus and then we went. And then after that, even the picnics, they would ask me to do it. But even then, I never thought of it as a leadership thing. I thought it was okay because they like it, so they are asking me to do it. So sometimes unknowingly you are a leader, but you really don't know and you keep on doing things. So that was my experience. And I was sort of leading by example, that this is what, unknowingly leading by example, that this is what a leader does. So I think a leader should encourage others also to do, but first he has to lead by example.
Beautiful.
That's it. Thank you.
Beautiful sharing and beautiful example. Darshanaji, we know that you have so much of that leadership material in you. You just keep exploring, and we also all think of how to contribute to the world, because we can do more. I just don't want to close it with the answer, but let us just open that lid. Let this flow go away. Thank
To
you.
contribute to the world, first of all, I think you should know yourself very well, know your strengths, know your weakness, and try and overcome them. Strengths you must strengthen further, and weaknesses try to overcome. Only then you can contribute for others.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Strengthening yourself is the biggest contribution to the world. Having clarity in ourselves and doing the right thing itself is a contribution to the world. Can I say it that way?
Yes, if everybody does the same, then the world will be a beautiful place.
Wow, what
Thank
a
you.
way to conclude the leadership session today. Thank you very much, Darshana ji. Yes, Kunal ji.
Yeah, my answer to your question of how to contribute, if you allow me, I'll just share one
Please.
Slide what I prepared while having this conversation, which will be my takeaway also, is acronym. I try to make acronym to remember. So this is loyalty to self and others, empathy with everyone, including self, attention about my thoughts, others' feelings, emotions, and daring. So challenge the fears and take on the fears head on. Have energy, enthusiasm, 10 times energy, as sir always keep on telling, and respect, but the wider perspective is honor and the allowance. So that way, that's what is my takeaway for this. Thank you so much, Vetri.
Great. And we appreciate this quick response and quick contribution. It is not your takeaway, you are just giving away. Thank you very much. And we have come to yes, Kasha, please.
And there is a history towards people tree and Buddha.
Yes, please.
To be the Buddha or to be that leader to the self, we have to sit under this people tree of persistent, evoking, evolving, passionate, awe and loving. We become that possibility. I see Buddha everywhere. It's just the realized or the unrealized. So everyone has that possibilities. May the Buddha in everyone grow. Thank you.
Great. Thank you very much. So that's a great one. You linked beautifully the people tree. Of course, the EMC itself is a people tree. We are all Buddhas. Few got realized they are Buddhas. Others are on the way to realize. Great comment, Kasha.
Thank you.
One
yes,
couplet for Sukhdeepak sir and all of us. That कुलदीप सर, आपकी तवज्जो चाहूंगा कि अर्ज किया है कि मैं, पुराना शेर है, सुना होगा कि मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया.
हाँ, बहुत बड़ा.
So this is a great example of the way Sukhdeepak sir has shown the leadership, and as Vetri explained, that we all are getting evolving, and as we all shared, that there is impact on all of us. And now it is not only the one person, but now it's a group. And I believe it's a responsibility for all of us to spread whatsoever we are learning, so that we really create sort of awareness, consciousness, and transformation in the world, in the humanity. So thank you so much, Vetriji. Back to you.
Thank you very much. Yes. Kunalji, Ashwini wants you to tell it again, and also translation.
जी, ये पुराना शेर है, आपने सुना होगा कि मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया.
Thank you.
Quick translation. Kunenji.
Translation is that I was alone and I was moving towards my destination, my journey. But people keep on coming, people keep on joining me, and now I get transformed from one to a group.
Great. Your destiny has been redefined. Thank you very much for that. Yes, Shadab, please.
Thank you, sir. Just Kunjan sir said that whatever we have learned, let's spread this knowledge, this wisdom to all the people, to all around us. Sir, every day means in a week I am making a video, 1 video, 2 video, and spreading the EMC knowledge, whatever I am getting here. So today I also want to make one video and share. So what I can share today, sir? Anything I want to get from you. What can I say today to contribute? Now, just I make TikTok videos, just something motivational or something from the EMC only. So what can I contribute today, or what sentence, what word can I contribute, sir? I want answer from.
Follow yourself.
Follow yourself. Okay.
It fits into everybody because as per Dr. Tain's statement, the leader one who is following his knowings, irrespective of anybody's reactions or comments. Follow yourself.
Yes.
Why you are doing all this video, YouTube, everything? Because you follow your inner knowings, right?
Right, sir.
You tell everybody to follow themselves.
Right.
Thank you very much, Sagar. And Kuljit ji, with your share, we will close its time.
सर कहा है शायद ने कि जिंदगी की खरोचों से न घबराइए जनाब, जिंदगी की खरोचों से न घबराइए जनाब, तराश रही है खुद जिंदगी निखर जाने के लिए. Means don't get afraid of little difficulties in life, because life itself is struggling to become beautiful and useful.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuldeep ji. It's a great time spending here and learning about the leadership, and it adds a lot of value to the exercise what we are doing here, because we are bringing that great leader in us outside with the help of Sukhdev Malwai sir. It's so fortunate that we got him and he's helping us to bring that leader in outside. Let's follow ourselves. Let's follow our inner knowings. Let us start to trust ourselves and stop judging yourself and stop judging others. That's a great way to manifest leader in us. With that great thought, let us close the session. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Go and do your contribution to the world. Thank you, everyone.
If sir is here, Vetriji, can we request him to have some parting words, if it is possible?
Have a party today. That's my parting words.
Wow.
Have fun, great session.
Thank you very much.
And keep participating, spread the word, give what you can, at least a smile, generate 100% happiness today. Bye-bye, God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir. That's
Thank you, sir.
great.
Sir.
Bye-bye.